Alright everyone, today we want to show you how to develop your basic bone stock further to a very important sauce, the Basic Jus. A jus is a concentrated bone stock which you can make from all kinds of mammal or bird bones. It is one of the most important basic sauces and can also be developed further with the addition of other ingredients. We begin with 2 to 3 kilos of bones. Preferentially, you use the bones from the same animal as the meat you want to serve. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius and roast the bones for around 30 minutes in the oven. While your bones are roasting, heat oil in a big pot. Take 2 carrots and cut them into large pieces. Add the carrots to your hot oil. You also take a piece of celery and cut it into the similar size as the carrots. Also, peel 2 onions and cut them in large pieces as well. Fry the vegetables for several minutes until they get a brown color. When your vegetables are brown, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and fry it until the color of the paste turns from red to brown. This should take 3 to 5 minutes. Add 300 ml red wine to your vegetables and let it boil for a while. Now take your bones from the oven, add them to your pot and fill it up with 3 liters of your prepared bone stock. Before we start boiling it, we add a branch of fresh thyme. We also add a dozen peppercorns and 2 leaves of laurel. Start boiling your jus at moderate heat for 1 to 2 hours until the liquid is reduced to half a liter. After your jus starts boiling, remove the foam and fat which builds up on the surface. When your jus is boiled down and reduced, pass it through a very fine sieve into another pot. You should taste your jus now. If it's still too thin, you can either go on and boil it further down, or you bind it with a bit of starch. For that, mix a tablespoon of starch in a small amount of water and add it to a boiling liquid. If your jus has a strong flavor and a good consistency, it is ready to serve to a piece of meat now. In the next episode, we will show you how to use this sauce in a dish. We hope you like our recipe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Over and out.